What are you? Ah! This is for Kevin! Ah! This is for my wife! And my children! You took everything from me!
Long way to Pennsylvania, we should probably... Kevin? Are you okay?
Dude, man, she kept crying everywhere, bleeding and all that stuff. I'm like, sister, I don't like you. Okay, Mom always thought you were the favorite.
Wasn't she pregnant at the time?
No, not with my baby, at least. Yeah.
This thing's been out with her way too long, man. Took my wife, my kids. I'm getting this thing tonight.
Hell yeah!
And you're helping me.
Why am I helping you?
Well, I need someone to hold
What's in
the
it for me?
flashlight. We're best friends. We help each other.
Yeah. Alright, I'm in.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's the plan. Okay. You're gonna walk with me, right?
Yeah.
And we're gonna go kill it.
You know exactly where this location is.
Yeah.
Of where the Chupacabras been hiding out for hundreds of years. You, a guy, knows where it's at.
I followed it home.
Followed home. Where's the evidential proof? God dang it, I want the evidential proof! Hey man, what's up?
Why'd you call me here?
I need a problem taken care of.
What kind of a problem?
They heard of the Chupacabra.
No man, I ain't touching that.
Dude, it happened 10 years ago, alright? I'm sorry that you lost
You killed my wife!
Okay! Calm down.
I'm good.
Okay. I need you to take this son of a bitch out for me, alright? It's fucking up my financial problems and all that shit. I will pay 300,000 pesos.
400 pesos!
Yeah, man. I'm disrespecting your life, I'm sorry. I know I could have done something to save her, but
I loved her.
I did
And
too.
you left her to die.
I mean...
What? But life's just a joke now?
Yeah, she's a fucking whore! I fucking hate her!
Shut up!